This is a great time if you like Ferrari. There are count 'em, 5 new Ferraris coming out before the end of the year. Hi, my name is Eric, and I like to cover high-performance sports cars and stuff like that, so if you're interested, go ahead and hit subscribe. This hybrid would be the second car introduced this year, the first one being the F8 Tributo. Now, if you've been following Ferrari, you know that they're probably lagging a little bit behind McLaren right now in the high-performance category. The 720S has absolutely been bringing it, and McLaren has got press release after press release of all these new cars that they're releasing over the next couple of years. The 720S is exceptionally fast, and then recently the 600 LT, which is more of a hardcore version of the 570 LT, was released, and these cars are getting fantastic reviews all across the board. And Ferrari, frankly, is having a little bit of a hard time keeping up because what they've got in competition in about the same price range, of course, is the 488 GTB. So McLaren has been really stealing all the press, so Ferrari's got to catch up. They're introducing this hybrid, which is supposedly a whole lot of horsepower and is supposedly going to be introduced in a couple weeks, maybe as early as May 31st. There was a couple guys in a 488 Ferrari somewhere in Italy, and they found this hybrid and they were chasing him down in a parking lot.
He's afraid, man. He's running away.
Of course he is.
He's afraid. He's looking at us.
Of course he's afraid. Ooh, what if I hide in this row behind these other cars here?
Of course you're hiding. I got him, man. I got him on video. I got him.
But what I've got is some exclusive footage of the test driver, never seen before. Let's show that right now. This hybrid is going to be even more powerful than the LaFerrari, a car's name I've never really been able to get down with. And I'm seeing a little bit of the first car of the 5, the F8 Tributo, in this hybrid camo, although obviously it's very, very heavily disguised. By the way, the F8 Tributo will be replacing the 488 GTB. And you can see in this video here, there's a little electric symbol on the side of the car, which I think denotes that it's a hybrid. And I've got a question for you. I've seen this electric symbol on a couple of test cars, including the McLaren 720S, which I spoke about in the last video. Is this a requirement for hybrid test cars in Europe? Let me know down in the comments below. One thing that we do know is that the CEO of Ferrari, Luca Camilleri, says that this hybrid will be faster than the 812 Superfast, which has 789 horsepower. We're talking about a lot of power here, and the hybrid is allegedly going to be able to do 0 to 60, get this in 2 seconds flat. As far as I know, I think that would be a world record for the world's fastest production car. Could be wrong, let me know down in the comments below. I'd also like to thank my patrons who help make these videos possible. They're listed right up here on screen if you'd like to become one. Starts at $1 a month and you get early access to my videos and all kinds of cool stuff. You know what else you can do? You can click on one of these videos here if you like sports cars. My name is Eric. I'll see you in the next video.